Hello and welcome to Hilton Asphalt Paving Tips. Today we will be talking about the importance of insurance, specifically proper insurance coverage. Who is responsible for the insurance coverage when a contractor is working on your site and is involved in an accident? If the contractor has proper insurance coverage, their insurance will take care of the issue. If the contractor has no insurance coverage, the insurance company will look to the next in line with money, probably the owner of the property, to pay for the damages. Certificate of clearance. A property owner should always ask for a certificate of clearance from your contractor. This is a current record stating that the contractor has paid for their insurance and states the types of insurance coverage being carried out by the company. General liability is insurance that covers most damages that may occur on your property, such as damages to your car, house, or even more severe, such as injury or death to someone in the work area. For residential insurance, you should carry a minimum of $2 million liability. For commercial or municipal insurance, you should carry an aggregate total of $5 million liability plus. WSIB, Workmen's Safety Insurance Board, which protects and covers injuries to employees of the contractor working on your property. In the event of an injury while working, WSIB coverages will kick in to pay the employees. Please ask your insurance professionals for more information. Thanks for listening, and please check out our other videos at Hilton Asphalt Paving Tips. Here is our contact information. Email info@hiltongroup.ca. Phone number 416-241-1733. Website www.hiltonasphaltpaving.com. And you can follow us on Instagram at Hilton Asphalt Paving.